with great people to implement that strategy are the 5 steps that I teach as part of building rapid teamwork or building a sticky culture. And that is focusing on goals and relationships and expectations and accountability and thanks.
Welcome to Unstoppable Podcast with Harry Sardinas, inspiring conversations with influential millionaires, investors, thought leaders, entrepreneurs who are making a massive difference with their innovative products and services, and sharing the challenges and wisdom of how they sold their first million.
How would you like to achieve your first million? And today we have Sean with us, joining from Atlanta, USA. And he's a business coach and also is using his expertise as sports coach, bringing it to business. So Sean, tell us, what are the 5 steps that you recommend to entrepreneurs out there in order to make their first million?
To make your first million, well, I think in order to make your first million, you have to stay in business, right? And so one of the things I learned as a basketball coach that absolutely translate to when I work with business leaders today is the need to not just focus upon acquiring talent. Every organization wants talent. And to not just focus upon strategy, because every organization focuses upon strategy. That missing third piece that I discovered when I was coaching basketball that absolutely relates to business is the issue of culture. And it's your culture that's going to determine how well your talent implements that strategy. And the 5 steps you need to take to make sure that you maintain your business and continue to grow it with great people to implement that strategy are the 5 steps that I teach as part of building rapid teamwork or building a sticky culture. And that is focusing on goals and relationships and expectations and accountability and thanks.
Follow us for more interviews with world's most influential, audacious entrepreneurs that overcame challenges and adversity, providing you with the blueprint of how they sold their first million so you can grow your business exponentially.